In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Uber support in Australia through the Help website. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device and go to the official Uber support page at help.uber.com. This is the main help center where Uber organizes support topics, account guidance, and contact options. Using Chrome can make the process smooth and consistent, especially if pages need to refresh or load interactive support tools. Once the site opens, look for your location or regional settings and make sure your global country preference is set to Australia for 2026. This part matters because support options can change depending on the country selected. If the wrong region is active, you may see different help articles, different contact pathways, or support options that are not relevant to Australian users. Take a moment to confirm the setting before moving on, since it can save time later. After that, choose the usage category that best matches how you use the platform. You'll usually see options such as rider, delivery partner, or driver. Select the one that applies to your situation. This helps the Help Center filter the information correctly, so you're only shown articles and support topics that relate to your account type. Choosing the right category is important because support tools are often customized for each type of user. Next, scroll down through the help files and browse the index or topic grid until you find the issue that matches your specific problem. This could be something related to trips, deliveries, payments, account access, app issues, or another common support topic. Try to choose the closest match possible, since that usually leads to the fastest and most accurate support route. If several topics seem similar, open the one that best describes the problem you're dealing with. When you've located the right help topic, look for the option labeled Contact Support or Chat Live. Click that option to connect with an active Australian support agent. This is typically the point where you can move from reading help articles to speaking directly with someone who can assist with your issue in real time. Be ready to clearly explain the problem so the conversation can move efficiently. As a helpful tip, before starting the chat, make sure you're signed into the correct Uber account and have any relevant trip or account details ready. That can make the support process much quicker and easier. That's how to reach Uber support in Australia using the Help website.